We have discussed about functions and practiced few concepts on the same. Let's do a bit more of practice questions today. Now, here we have a data set. We have the inputs and outputs here. My question to you is this a function? Look at the input data set here. For each input value, we are having only one output value. This is the question. Is there more than one output value for each input value? That is what we need to look at. This is a test. So this is a function. So we have another data set here. Is this a function? Is there only one output value for each input value? We have multiple outputs. So this is not a function. We have another data mapping here. Is this a function? For each input, there is only one output. Say if I put 10 here and minus 4 there, for two different inputs, we're having the same output. It is still possible for a function to have a situation like this. We have one more here. Is this a function? See, for an input value of 7, we are having minus 10 and 4, two output values, so not a function. But it is a relation. It is still a relation. It may not be a function, but it is a relation. This is the bigger set here, relations, of which functions is a smaller set. Think about it. Any function is a relation, but all relations are not functions because functions have some rules to be satisfied. Now we have another set here. Is this a function? No. Look at the input values. For minus 2, we are having multiple outputs. So this is not a function. It is still a relation. So is this a function? We have a coordinate plane here with some points. Let's try to make the coordinate pairs. Write the coordinate pairs, that is x and y coordinates of each point. For minus 2 here, we are having 6. This is the point. So minus 2, 6 is one coordinate pair. Let's take a different point. For 2, we are having 3 on the y-axis. So 2 is the x coordinate and 3 is the y coordinate. This is the pair. Let's take one more point. For 8, we have 6. 8 and 6 is a pair. We forgot to take this one here. For 4, we have 12. 4 minus 12 is one pair. And for 10, we have 15. For 12 on the x-axis, we have minus 6 here. So 12 and minus 6 is one pair. For 16 on the x-axis, we have 9 as y coordinate. So it is 16 and 9. So these are the whole set of coordinate pairs. Now let's see if it is a function. For every input value, there is a distinct output value, only one output value. There is no repetition of output values for each input value. So this is a function. It is also a relation, by the way. Now let's try to write the domain. Domain is nothing but the set of all input values. Minus 2, 2, 4, 8, 10, 12, 16. So the range is all the output values. Now it is advisable, it is preferred to write these sets in ascending order. So I'm writing it like this.